how do I remove?
Middle one, kind of just grab it like this and you pop it up like that. Cool.
Okay.
And then to block it back in, you go in upwards like that, and you just let it sit until it locks in, and boom. That's for these, okay? These all work the same.
Okay.
And then for this one here, just grab this here, you kind of lift, and you could remove this and just bring out the
Oh,
thing
perfect.
itself. Yes.
Okay.
Do that here,
Awesome.
and then you slide this one under here. Over here. I'm just gonna sit this one. Doesn't matter what way you put it, just.
And just slides
There you are.
in. Oh,
Yep, and that is the
nice.
same for that one as well in these here, okay?
Okay.
Same as it, okay? And these right here, you can remove that there. Set it to where we'd like there. And do look down here. And here we are, okay? We got these drawers here.
So how do I remove these?
These right here. That's a great question.
So,
I think these you don't bring out. I think you'd have to unlatch it here if you want to bring these out.
what do you mean that? Do I?
You see this one right here?
Yeah.
Let me see. You have any of these, Frank? The door, huh?
What?
This
You
one
gotta
here?
remove the door in order to get it out?
Because like these doors, you see how this is here?
Yeah.
Usually you just be able to pull it up. We'd have to take this whole thing off if you want to prop them out.
Oh, okay. But the
Yes.
one in the bottom, that second one does come out?
This one, I think you might have to remove all that as well and then
Okay.
take it out. Yeah.
All right.
And
And
you
then
got
what
this box.
about that tray? Does that slide?
This one?
Uh-huh.
This one, yeah. There it is. Slides there. This one here.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah.
All right. So then how do these drawers come out? These to clean or no?
These no, these don't. These you have to. Yeah, I don't think these come off. Those are. The only thing you can remove from this is just the handle itself.
And there's a screw in the bottom.
Yeah, there's like a little Allen wrench that you're probably gonna leave with you here.
Okay.
Yeah. That's
And
pretty
then this just slides up
much.
and
You
then.
slide it up. You can put it here or back.
Okay.
Yep.
Now, what about those drawers over there?
These.
Yeah.
These you can take out.
You just kind of pull it up and
Yeah,
then
kind of
out.
just kind of at an angle there.
Okay.
You go back in, just let it sit, and it'll slide right in.
Okay. And what about like this? What is it?
This is just kind of like you want to just condiments there. Just slide.
And there's only. Oh, okay.
There's two. Yeah, two slides there. More vegetables if you like, or whatever you want to.
Okay. And is there space behind, like back there?
Back here? No, back there isn't. No.
Okay.
It's just a little.
And this does not come off. Does this plastic thing come off?
Yeah, there you go. You can clean that up there, and just slide it back into place, and there you are. Cool. Okay.
Awesome.
Nice fridge. Huh?
Oh, what about like
This?
here?
Look at that. Boom.
Okay.
Gives you
How
the
did you do that?
instructions
There's a.
There's a little
Oh, the handle right there.
with your finger, and you pull it up there.
Okay.
You get this bin, and you can even bring this one out here too. And get your ice, whatever you need there, okay? And
Okay.
then put it in, you slide it kind of up and under, just drop it in, and there you are.
Okay.
Boom.
Where's the filter change?
Filter. Right up here. Just push it here, and it comes right down. I remove it, but I already have water running through. So to left, twist off, and to lock it in to the right, push it up. Boom. Okay.
Awesome. Okay. And what's that thing up there?
This is like a filter here.
Is
like
there
that air comes
anything
out.
in there that I need to change?
No, that's just you don't. Yeah, you don't touch that there.
Okay. And then this is just
The controls there.
okay.
How cold you want your drawers. And
Okay.
we usually leave these stickers in here. Okay, just if you'd like to remove that there.
And then he's still doing.
Yeah,
this
he's gonna put
one
that
up.
there. Yeah, you want.
Okay. And then you said keep this at what?
It's at 37. Usually is at 37. Let me see.
How do I change it?
It's locked there. Cool. You can lock it there. Okay, just hold 3 seconds, and it'll unlock. There we are.
Okay.
And it'll tell you where the temperature. You hold it for 3 seconds, and there it is. You see? 37
Okay.
up top, and at the bottom it'll be 0, okay?
So how do I change it if I want it colder?
Right over here.
Oh, okay, the little plus sign.
Let me see. And there you are. You can kind of play with it there. Let me see. That says freezer. There we are. Yeah, you're right. There you are.
Okay, and
You
then
can just
press
keep hitting it if you
confirm.
like, and then
Okay.
confirm. Okay.
Okay. So this is ice water.
The light for your for your light there. Yeah, it's probably on this mode, so I can't really touch it. But yeah, if you use the option to go down and the lock up, okay. If you want to go up, but I'll leave it at 37, okay.
Okay.
And I'll leave it there. And let me see.
And then how do I get a choice of like, does it make cube ice?
Yep, right here. Cube,
Oh,
fish, and water. Okay. And then
Okay.
you got your light there. And two options, dim and bright. Okay.
okay.
And like I said, if you want to lock it, you can lock that, hold it for 3 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
And this option, I'm not too sure about that one, but it's probably just like a how much it lets you know how much. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'll look it up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.